What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cool Gamer 1461508. Today I'm going to show you how to make a run and a walk GUI, like when we made the Super Speed Game Pass. But the speed is going to be lower than 50. So let's click Starter GUI and then Screen GUI. And then let's add 2 text buttons. Then double click text button. So this is going to be our run button. This is going to be our walk button. But this time I'm going to make the run button this one is going to be the run button, and this is going to be the walk button. First, let's do the walk button since it's the fastest. Right click it, insert object, then script or local script. So let's type local. So we're going to type local to type function on button clicked. So then player, then local PLR equals wait for child. Then double enter, actually then let's delete this. We're gonna type script.parent dot mouse button one click colon connect open bracket function open bracket close bracket if so then humanoid dot walk speed. This time So walk speed equals, this time I'm going to make it 20 like I said. So walk speed equals 20. Vertical char equals PLR So on button clicked. Wait. Walk speed. Oh. So I'm going to just make the background color green. Oh, I hate this song. I'm gonna type run. Then the local script. I'm gonna type how to make a run and walk GUI 2019. I'm gonna do this one.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a run and walk GUI. So first you want to go to start a GUI and then you want to insert a screen GUI. Inside of that screen GUI you want to insert a text button. Take this text button, drag it over here. Make it how you want. Make sure the size of it is on the offset. So, not the scale. Make sure the size is on the offset, not the scale. That'll make sure on different screens, when it does that, it will go back here. It won't just like move, it won't just stay in one place of the screen. It could mess everything up if you do have it that way. So then after that, you want to open back your Explorer and Properties. take this text button, name it run. Drag it up to here. I don't really care where you drag it up to, but you can just drag it somewhere. And then you can make it how you want. I'm just gonna keep it like that. I'm gonna put the background color to green. Take let's make sure it's still on the offset. Okay, it's on the offset. Go to the text, do run, then text scaled is equal to true. Then we're gonna insert I'm gonna use this plugin. You do not have to. It's just a choice. There's a Roundify plugin that I use for GUIs. So I'm just gonna put it in. I'm gonna roundify this so it looks a little bit better. X out of that. I'm gonna take the run. Then I'm going to, well, actually I'm just gonna insert a local script. So I'm gonna insert a local script into the run. Do script dot parent dot mouse button one click.
Oh, type that. Script.parent.mouse button one click. Mouse button one click.
Connect. Function.
Connect. Function.
Enter, and then we're gonna do game dot players dot local player
game dot players dot local player
dot character dot human
dot character. Dude, he's good at this.
Not
humanoid.
Dot
Humanoid.
walk speed
Dot walk speed.
is equal
Dot walk speed.
to 0. Is equal to I don't know. This is how much you want it to be for the run. I'm just gonna do 50.
Equals 20. You could do any.
So that's gonna be the run walk speed, and then that's just gonna be the run walk speed. We want to take this, duplicate it. Now we're going to name this one walk. W-A, walk. I'm going to name it walk. Take it, drag it down here below the thing.
So I think that's all you gotta type. So then it should start working. Too slow. That's still I think 25 or 30. think 30 would be good. If click run now. Yeah, that's good. Then let's design our walk button. Let's make it red. We're gonna name it walk.
I'll go here, make the background color red. Wait, no, let's, yeah, just keep, we're just gonna take out the roundify, then go to the walk, make the, background transparency 0. Background color will be red. Change the text to walk. Text to walk, and then go to the local script that you had and change it to 16. And then
So then let's go to the local script and let's copy this.
Let's go, man.
Good.
So,
What? What?
are you recording?
Yes,
Who are you
Good.
talking to?
I'm recording it. You're interrupting
You need
it.
help?
No, you're interrupting it. Okay, I'm sorry. That was just my dad. So, right click it, insert object, local script. Then,
Is there a camera?
you're interrupting it. So then paste what you did. We're gonna name it. So we're gonna do 16. So then that's how it works. So if you click walk. Oh, good. Good. Stop interrupting me. So then, that's how it works.
and insert a roundify if you want to. You don't have to. As I said earlier, you don't have to. You can though.
You don't have to use.
We have, okay, now we have these two. It's two. Now let's test them.
So then let's stop playing it. Let's rename this to so we're gonna name this local script called walk script. We're gonna name this local script called run script. delete the script. I'm deleting the script. I'm deleting this one. I'm deleting this one. So this is a code. This is the options menu. So I want to make a
And see if it'll go 50. Okay, so right now we're at normal speed. If we press run, we should go way faster, as you can see. Yeah, we go faster now. If we press walk, we go back to normal speed. You'll see that when I show you in the humanoid. When I said, when I did game.players, and then it did .character, which was this. This is the character. And then you want to go to humanoid, which is this. That's what the game.players .character .local player .character .humanoid.
So then, guess what? If you move the walk script to the screen GUI, I'm gonna test it to see if it still works. And if I click run, and I click walk, it doesn't work. Redo. Okay, but I guess we have to do that script again. Then, now I did it. I did the scripts too. See? and if I click walk, I walk normal. That's how it works. See? And let's scroll more down. That's a text label. That's a button, but nothing happens if you press it. Because nothing, because that button is coming soon. Now, I'm just like going to make test something. Game Pass. Game Pass. Now is it working? Has to be walking until the Game Pass is purchased. Yes, no. This is a test purchase? No.
this.
I'm still recording. I'm still recording.
Record. Just eat your chicken
Leave
instead of
me
playing
alone.
this crap.
Leave me alone.
I'm leaving you alone.
No, you're not.
Eat.
I'm recording. You're
Okay, eat your
interrupting it. You what? Okay. Now other players should not be we should just script players. I'm gonna make the response time 0. Then let's do an easy script. No. Let's just right click it and insert object. Then script. Take this off. This is our script. So local POR equals game dot players dot local player local players local players local players equals players dot humanoid dot walk speed equals 50 equals walk speed equals 16. Also in the workspace, we need to add a remote event. Right click workspace, insert object, then remote event, to call the server for the player speed except for the creator. So we're gonna need to use the foreign type players. We're gonna type dot walk speed equals 16. So local player equals player dot name dot walk speed
dot walk speed, which should be in the
walk speed
properties of the human.
name equals then you can type your username in. So I'm gonna type mine, Purple Minion 32. That's my username. Dot walk speed equals 50. That's all you got to type. So then we're going to test it. I'm going to do 2 players. Loading. Is loading. It's a server. So I'm going to be player 2. So then it spawned the humanoid in the players. So a humanoid description. Here, maybe I should fix this. Is this better now? Then it's walking what it's supposed to be like. So I'm going to purchase it. Then I'm going to, where is it? So then I continue to clean up. So then now I don't need the editor right now, but I do need the toolbox. What are meshes? So Sans the skeleton. So then Sans body mesh part. I like to create a mesh like that. So, but first, let's make a block So there we go, but that looks like a rectangle to be like this. It's now a block. It looks nice. So then, first, we're going to add we're going to use a toolbox. Wait, you have to get something small. So how to make it a mesh, we should right click it, insert object, then a humanoid description. So we need to name it mesh. So then let's open back the toolbox, and you could like make a hat or wings. Wait, this. Let's just add a model. I'm just gonna add John Doe. Need to grab him. Okay, so then I'm gonna why is there a we don't need the full animation. We don't. Nothing's happening. So then I'm gonna name it nothing. So we should place it over here. Then right click it. Then we should find mesh. we're naming it, we're gonna click mesh part. Let's bring the mesh part into the workspace. Then we can delete this and this. You could like make the material however you want. I'm gonna make it foil. The mesh part. Now I'm making it plastic. That's material. Material should be plastic. Where is plastic? There. Brick color should be we're gonna make it. Where's peach? We're making it peach. This one. Let's place it in the yellow. I'm gonna make it peach too. I'm just going to delete it. So super speed. So then maybe a GUI. I'm going to add a starter GUI and a screen GUI and make a text button. We're gonna type status. You could leave it like this, but you can make it whatever you want. But also, we should have a frame. it like this, a big frame. Inside the frame, let's add a text label. Not a tool. Text label. Add it in the middle. We're gonna name it. So we're gonna this game is important because it's for testing stuff to make it work. You can get super speed if you want. You can walk or run. Wait, 1 second. You can walk or run. So you can chat and play. And type codes. You can type codes and reset and in view options and view options. The border. Then it's made by Purple Minion 32. The frame should be a bit bigger. Thanks. And let's add an X button. Oh. We're gonna name this X. Text scaled white. Then let's make it this red. So then right click the X button and click insert object, local script. So script dot parent dot mouse button one click. Colon connect. Function. So script dot parent dot visible equals false. Let's make the frame invisible. So let's use an easy script. So local frame equals script dot parent dot we're gonna name this frame status. So dot so dot status local open equals false. Double enter script dot parent dot mouse button one click. Colon connect open bracket function open bracket close bracket. So if frame dot visible double equals false, then frame dot visible equals true. Enter, then backspace, else frame dot visible equals false. That's all you gotta type. So then let's test it. I think it's in the workspace. Then let's try it again. Now it works. Walking. Now it's walking. When I don't know when I forgotten if inside the game description, I could just click the status and it will tell me. See, it says this game is important because it's for testing stuff to make it work. You can get super speed if you want. You can walk or run. So you can chat and play and type codes and reset view options. Thanks. So that's what the status is. So then we so then this is going to be good. So then let's type how to make a play menu GUI.
Without a college degree, I was just fighting an uphill battle. I found Google's IT support program. I finished.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Spike is back here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your very own play screen on Roblox. So the first thing you want to do is load up Roblox Studio. Wait for this to load up. Should only take a few minutes. If you're on a high-end computer, only a few seconds, and so on and so on. So it depends on which computer you're on. But when you get to this screen by here, you want to just simply insert a GUI into here, and then we can name this play screen. Okay, that. And in the play screen GUI, we can have a frame, and make sure this frame, the size.
Let's add a frame. So let's click workspace, then insert object, then add a screen GUI. In this screen GUI, let's add a frame. Then let's add another search GUI. I mean screen GUI. We're going to name this play GUI. Then right click play GUI, then insert object, then a frame. I'm going to make the transparencies 5. Nah. 6. 55. 10. I'm just doing it 55. So you can see the base plate through it. So in the frame, let's right click the frame, insert object, then text button. Let's make the background color green, lime. And text scaled. Text color should be white. I'm going to make this highway actually Source Sands bold. Text stroke text stroke transparencies 0. We're gonna name the button play. Actually play with capitals. We're gonna name the frame play screen. Actually, we're gonna name it play with P capital and LAY lowercase. Then let's add a text label for the name of the game. The transparencies. Where's the transparencies? Background transparencies. I'm gonna make it white. We're gonna name the text. We're gonna make the text scaled. We're gonna make this Source Sands eye bold. I'm gonna make this white. Let's make it white. We're gonna name this the name of the game. Actually with capital.
Of it is just 1 and 1, okay? So 1 and 1 there. I'll zoom in on that so you can see. And then you should have this kind of sized frame. Now you just want to position it to 0 and 0 here as well. And it should be in taking up the whole screen.
Let's edit the position.
and 0 here as well.
I'm gonna make it 0. Oh, it's already 0.
It should be in taking up the whole screen. Okay, so name this frame screen, and then you can make it transparent if you want. So I'm just gonna make it a little bit transparent so you can see the back. Then I'll make like it a little bit dark. Well, actually, kind of like this. But that's okay. Then what you need to do is make a.
I'm just going to make the background transparencies 4. It's covering. Yes. Yes. Yes.
What are you doing here?
Stop it.
Did you do something?
I don't want to start talking about that. You're
Yeah, tiene bolsa.
you.
Tiene bolsa,
But
your dad.
but the people are going to laugh about it
Who cares about them?
because
You're my
they're
boy.
ow
Okay.
leave.
Okay, sit and relax. You know what? Time out.
No, leave.
You got
5 million minutes. Stop interrupting it. Go.
okay. You got 10 minutes.
Then stop. Then leave. Thing good.
A play button. So we'll just insert a normal text button for now, and let's make the size of it quite big. And then you just want to make it scaled, and then make the text say play, like so. You can also make the name of it play, and change the font to whatever you want. I'm just going to change it to a bold font there, and then I'm going to decorate this to make it look like an actual play button. So then I'm going to have this here, this here. It needs to be a little bit more like that. There we go. This darken that, and now we should have this nice play button. We can put it in the middle of our screen if you want. So I'm just going to position it to the direct middle of the screen by doing the anchor point as 0.5 and the position as 0.5, and it should be directly in the middle of my screen now, no matter where I move it, as you can see. So now we have this play button, and you can add some text to this screen if you want. So you can add some text. For example, you name your game. So I'm just going to call it test game. Test game there, and then I'm going to do semi-bold. Make that kind of like stretched out a little. It doesn't need to be too stretched out, but it just looks, you know, nice like that. So let's have this as
I'm just gonna edit the label. I'm making the background transparencies 1 better. I'm gonna name this. I'm just gonna change the name to screen. And I'm gonna name this play. I'm gonna name this tutorial.
a nice kind of bold one, and then we can have we can actually size this to be a little bigger, not too big though. I think that's the maximum it goes up to. But we can have a game name here. We can make this a little smaller now, and then position these two in the middle. So right there. And now, as you can see, we have our test game, our play button, and now all we need to do is script this. So this first of all, call a label, so we know what it is, and let's make a script, a local script inside the
So let's add a local script. Take this out.
GUI, and we can call this handle intro, okay, or whatever you want.
We're gonna name this we're gonna name this script screen script.
Doesn't need to be that. And let's just define our screen. So local screen equals script dot parent dot screen. So this
So local screen equals scripts dot parent dot script dot parent dot screen.
This is basically again, the screen is saying that the parent of the script is play screen, and then play screen dot screen is this, okay? So then we do local play button.
So local play button
equals screen, because play buttons in the screen, and dot play, okay?
dot play.
We can also do a wait for child, but I don't think we need that in this case because it's not an image we're loading or anything. It's just a default Roblox button. So now we have this. We can do play button.
So we can do play button
Dot activated.
dot activated.
Connect function.
Colon connect function
And then inside here,
then in here
we can just say screen dot visible.
So screen dot visible
equals false.
equals false.
Okay, and then if we play a game, play this, it's gonna make our thing go away. But if we reset, it's gonna come back. If we just reset, as you can see, it comes back. Now you can do the reset on spawn is false, and that will fix this issue. It should fix the issue. If not, we can do something else with variables, but this should fix the issue from here in. There we go, fixes it.
So reset.
It's gonna come back. If we just reset, as you can see, it comes back. Now you can do the reset on spawn.
Reset on spawn on play GUI. So then let's play it. See? Now if I reset, it's not going to come back. See?
Is false, and that will fix this issue. It should fix the issue. If not, we can do something else with variables, but this should fix the issue from here in. There we go, fixes it. But we have one more problem. It looks kind of a little bit, if we go into the game, it looks kind of a little bit too, how can I put it? If we click play, it just instantly goes to the game instead of doing an animation. What if we wanted to have it to do an animation, like slide off? That's pretty easy to do. So what you do is do tween position.
So I think instead colon tween position.
Okay, and then inside here you put UDMI2. So
UDI into
so we're getting the screen, and then we're doing putting a value here.
dot new dot new.
Here for what position we want it to go to. It's going to slide to that position. So for example, if we wanted to make the position of this go down to the bottom of the screen, that's this position. So let's put it in there, and we just need to remove
So position, we should go to position. So change this to 1. Let's copy this. Before we go and paste it, we should make this back to 0. Now it should be working.
These little squiggly brackets there, and now
Instead of let's use brackets instead.
the easing is the easing direction, so out.
So then comma out. Oh. Out.
And then it's the easing style. We'll do quad, and
Comma quad.
this is the time of how long it will take to slide out. So let's make it go pretty fast. So 0.5.
So 0.5.
5 seconds. And now we should be able to do false here.
Dot false. Dot false.
And then let's make a call this end.
And comma end. End.
We'll do local function
Local local function.
End.
End. Open bracket, close bracket. Then open bracket.
Right here. And then what
Okay. Oh. So
we're doing here is screen.
green. Screen.
Visible.
Visible.
Equals false.
Equals false. I knew it was gonna do that.
So this basically makes the thing false when this has transported to the bottom of the screen. So when we click play, it should go down, as you can see.
So then we should test it. How did he do that?
How long it will take to slide out. So this make it go pretty fast, so 0.5 seconds. And now we should be able to do false here, and then this make a, call this end. We'll do local function end right here, and then what we're doing here is screen dot visible equals false. So this basically makes the thing false when this has transported to the bottom of the screen.
Oh, wait. I know why. Oh, wait. you. It's commas. Wait. I think. Well, you don't have to do this. These. Um, I'm just going to do this one. I'm not done recording, so how about this? I'm not done recording yet. Okay. Wait, what? recording yet. I'm not done recording. So let's put the screen script into. No! So good. So bye guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel.